Welcome to the TradingView tutorial on adding session breaks to your chart. This feature is essential for traders who want to analyze market trends and patterns during specific trading sessions. First, open your TradingView account and navigate to the chart you want to work with. You can do this by clicking on the chart icon in the top navigation bar and selecting the desired chart type. Next, click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner of the chart and select the session template option. This will open a new window where you can configure your session breaks. In the session template window, you can choose from predefined session templates or create your own custom template. To create a custom template, click on the Add New Template button and enter the start and end times for your session break. For example, if you want to analyze the U.S. stock market, you can create a session break from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also add multiple session breaks to your chart by clicking the Add New Session button. Once you have configured your session breaks, click the Apply button to add them to your chart. You will now see vertical lines on your chart indicating the start and end times of each session break. To make the most of session breaks, use them in combination with other chart tools and indicators. For instance, you can use session breaks to analyze the performance of a particular stock or asset during different trading sessions. Best practices for using session breaks include keeping your templates organized and regularly updating your session times to reflect changes in market hours or trading schedules. In conclusion, adding session breaks to your TradingView chart is a simple and effective way to enhance your trading analysis. By following these steps and using session breaks in combination with other chart tools, you can gain a deeper understanding of market trends and make more informed trading decisions.